Hello, class. Hello, class. I am going to be your substitute teacher today, and my name is Mr. Mr. Teacher Man Guy, and I will be your sub today. And before we start, I need to go over some few important rules. Rule number 1, absolutely no gum in this classroom. Just no. And then just a couple basic things. Don't talk when I'm talking and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna start off with, please open your textbooks to page 12. Are you chewing gum?
1.
Mr. Teacher Man Guy, did you know that it was my birthday yesterday?
No, I did not know that. But do you think I even care? You person?
Wow. Maybe a little bit.
Well, I don't. So, if we're gonna continue on with our math for today.
This is how to get away with chewing gum in class. That was the diversion method. It appeared to work. Let's try the stealth method.
Hey, John, can I have a piece of gum? Oh, you guys are gonna get in so much trouble for chewing gum in class.
Not if we don't get caught.
I will use super secret technique password down from generations to generations of my family that has now been bestowed wisdom of getting away with gum from my ancestors, and it is now time to see if it works.
Wow.
Did you find this method online?
Yep. Awesome.
Start.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna just be basically continuing on from last period. Please pull out your textbooks to page 12 and 13. So, let's do
Go. Ready? 2, 1, go.
No true gum in my class.
Are you okay?
Rolling.
And now a moment of silence for Aiden.
Okay, guys, sit back down. Whatever. Back to our lesson. So as I was saying,
Go.
Guess that method didn't work. Let's try the hide in the throat method.
Go.
Mr. Teacher Man Guy, she's chewing gum! Mr. Teacher Man Guy, she's choking Sable!
no.
Why not? She's going to die just like Aiden.
Oh,
Close your eyes.
Are you okay?
Jack, line.
What the heck?
That's not creepy at all.
I've been expecting you. Well, obviously you know that because it's class. But please take your seats. Let's do that. Can you guys please open your textbooks to page 12? And we're going to be continuing on with multiplying the circumference of a circle by pi. And I'll just do pi is 3.1415926. Stop. I forgot.
No, don't delete that.
Go.
Well, hello, class. I've been expecting you. But of course you knew that because it's class time. But I'm sorry we had to switch classrooms. A student found a spider in one of the desks, so obviously we burnt down that classroom and we have a new one now.
Okay, sounds good. Well, I talked to Holly this morning. She's aware of the situation.
This is gonna be my last day subbing for you guys. So will you please pull out your textbooks to page 12? We're going to be continuing with the
Yep, of course.
timesing pi.
Thanks for the message, guys.
Circumference of a circle, and then you obviously all know pi is 3.141592653 and 4. Obviously, you all know that. So, if you would please keep writing, copy down what I write down. So, I'm gonna just please hurry, copy me down.
Go.
Okay, Michelle. Please come up and write your answers on the board for attending pi by the circumference of a circle.
Do you want
What do you mean dramatic?
dramatically look at him?
Are you chewing gum?
Yes,
So-
I am chewing gum, and I admit my flaws, and I'm sorry in advance for my actions, and I'm sorry for my mistakes. Please forgive me, Mr. Teacher Man Guy.
Fine, I forgive you. But get out of here! You're expelled. You broke the rules.
Okay.
Good luck.
No, wait.
Guys, you missed the
We
part.
missed.
3.
Mr. Steven. Mr. Steven. Class, stand to attention.
Steven.
Now, what's supposed to
Wait,
happen?
do I have any other?
Thank you, class. You may sit. Mr. Steven Man Guy,
Yes.
did anybody die?
No.
Where's Ray and John?
I don't know.
Well, maybe it's John. Come on.
Faster, we need to hurry.
I'm gonna start walking back because I'm.
Go.
I guess that method didn't work either. I guess you should try the diversion method. Thanks for watching.
Bye.